You can be a great teacher and literally earn a great income inspiring people of all the great things you learned how to do. I think it's time you really seriously looked at this. You are a great presenter. Hey, it's Kirk Duncan. Super excited to share with you today about how you can do a great job teaching people and earning a great income. That's called a win-win. They get a great experience and also you get to do what you love and be paid for it. So let's talk about this. How could you be a presenter? Well, let's ask the question. Is there anything you've learned in life that is important? Let me give you an example. I met this woman who told me she was really good at cleaning refrigerators. And I asked her, do you teach people? And she goes, oh no, this is just something I do. And I said, do you know how many people would be interested in learning how to clean refrigerators? And she goes, nobody cares about their refrigerator. So at one of my classes, I asked the question, if there was a woman who could teach you how to clean your refrigerator and keep it organized, is there anybody in the room who would like to learn from this person? And out of 300 people in the room, I'm not kidding, over 200 people raised their hand. They wanted training from this woman about how to keep their refrigerator clean. You see, I think the problem is you discount in your mind the smarts you have. You discount the things you know. And I know another thing you discount. You discount that you're not a teacher. You can't teach people. And because you discount those two things, you're not a teacher and you don't have smarts, what happens is you're missing out on an incredible opportunity to serve people, feel good, and earn a living doing it. It's crazy, but you could be literally helping a whole bunch of people and paying your bills and not being behind in your finances. But here, I'm gonna help you out with this. That woman who cleans refrigerators, I literally had to talk her into doing a class. She's like, oh, Kirk, nobody's gonna sign up. And I said, yeah, you're gonna charge, they're gonna pay for this. You're gonna charge $50, and these people are gonna come over to your house and you're gonna teach them for 4 hours. So she had 7 people sign up, paid her $50 each, $350 she earned on a Saturday morning from 8 until noon. From 8 until noon, she earned $350. And the whole time, she's teaching these people how she keeps her refrigerator clean and the system of how she keeps her refrigerator organized. These people loved it. They totally loved it. I had to talk her into it. She calls me afterwards and says, okay, Kirk, it was fun. Okay, it was fun. And I go, was it fun? She goes, oh my gosh, it was so fun. And she goes, but it just feels weird teaching something that is so easy to me. I thought everybody knows how to keep the refrigerator organized. And it's like, no, that's one of the big mistakes is people think everybody else knows how to do this. They don't. And so she's like, wow, I didn't even realize this. And I go, so how much money did you collect? And she goes, $350. I go, when's the last time you made $350 in 4 hours? And she looks at me and says, never. Well, she's on the phone. She says to me, she goes, never. I've never made $350 in 4 hours. And I go, did it cost you a lot? She goes, no, they just came over to my house. I gave them all pieces of paper to write their notes on. And one of the people in the group asked her to personally coach her to come over to her house. And she goes, how much do I charge for that? I said, charge about $700. And then that kind of freaked her out. But listen what happened. The person signed up for $700. $700, $350. And within 2 weeks, she had earned $1,050. She was discounting her smarts. She was discounting that she's a teacher. And she would have missed out on $1,050. And these 7 people were super excited that somebody was helping them. People will pay for help. They will pay for help. People go to the doctor and pay for help. They go to the mechanic and they pay for help. They ask somebody to come to their yard and pay for help. When something breaks in their house, they pay for help. People are very accustomed to paying for help. What do you have that you could help people with? What kind of smarts, what kind of lessons learned, what kind of things have you figured out in life that you could gather some people together and help people out? People will pay for help. And you are a teacher. And if you don't know how to teach, it's okay. I can help you with that. That's why I teach a class called Present Yourself. Right here in Salt Lake City, I teach a class called Present Yourself, and I teach people how to do presentations, how to price their classes, and how to organize their content. Organize your content, help you with pricing, and how to teach the class. Those 3 things. I could help you, help others, they're happy, and then you earn an income doing that. Awesome. It's totally awesome. So check this out. Here's the equation. And this is just the beginner equation. If you help a good number of people and you even have low prices, that will end up being good money and happy people. Happy people, and you make a great income. For example, the woman who's down in Mesa, Arizona. Down in Mesa, Arizona, this woman decides that she's gonna follow my training and just do some simple class. She has these 10 women come to her house and they pay $20. 10 women, $20. Well, what does that equal? $200. They're at her house for 2 hours. And while they're at her house, she teaches them how to set goals, how to build a vision board, and how to set goals and how to accomplish these goals. Then at the end of the class, she asks, would anybody like to come back in 2 weeks and I could teach you again? All 10 of those women signed up for another class for $20 each. So then in 2 weeks, these 10 women show up and they brought 5 more friends. So she's got 15 people at her house, makes another $300, and she's teaching people what she loves to talk about. She loves to help people, and she loves setting goals and getting goals for herself. And so she's gonna start helping people. $20 a person. People will pay for help. They want help. And if you give them an awesome price, and there's a group of people, that month she made $500. You better believe her husband was very interested in what she's doing. In fact, her husband went and asked her, hey, so this new $500 you have, can I have some of it? And she's like, no, but I'll take you to dinner. Because she had started her own presentation business to help people. You can do this so easily. You just need to know how to organize your content, how to deliver your content, and how to price your classes. That's what all you gotta know how to do. Now, you think about these workshops, little 2-hour, 1-hour, 4-hour workshops. This is not like some big seminar. You're not doing some kind of big seminar where you have to rent a room and spend thousands of dollars doing a seminar. That's not what you're doing. These are small little workshops, but be thinking you're a teacher who has lessons that you've learned. People will pay for help. And you think about how you can help people. And you gather them together in a group. And when the price is low, but the people number is high, that's how the numbers come together. And all these people are going to be happy. You're happy, they're happy. It's so doable. It is so doable. And what are you doing? You're sharing your smarts. How hard is that? How hard is that to share something you know? How hard is that? Maybe you bake bread really good. Maybe you just make super awesome cookies. Maybe you know how to take care of a yard. Maybe you know how to keep your garage clean. Maybe you're a great mechanic and you can help people. You could hold workshops. Really super simple. Low price, affordable, small group of people. You can make $250 in a weekend. Imagine if you're a great mechanic and you advertise to your neighborhood. You're going to teach the guys in the neighborhood some things they can do to their car to be able to save them money, save them time from going down and having mechanics work on their thing, but they could teach them. And it was 30 bucks, and you had 5 guys come over to your garage. It's 150 bucks for 2 hours. Who makes $150 in 2 hours? That's $75 an hour. Could you imagine putting 150 bucks in your pocket? Could you imagine putting $300, $500, $1,000 in your pocket? There's 2 things for you to agree to. 1, you can learn how to teach. That's something to agree to, is like, I can learn how to teach. Number 2, it's okay for you to help others and get out of your money problems. There's those 2 things. Learn how to teach, and it's okay to get out of your money problems. You can be a great presenter and earn an income and get yourself out of your money problems. You can, and I can help you how to do that. Present yourself. The class is called Present Yourself. It's here in Salt Lake City. Click on my website, go to the link I'm giving you here, go look at Present Yourself, get training on how to organize your content, how to deliver your content, and how to price your content. And I'll help you. And you don't have to be all big fancy, create a whole bunch of videos and try to do some online program. You can make 150 bucks, 300 bucks, sharing what you already know. You already know it. You just don't know how to organize it. And I can help you so you can be really good at this. Just think, the next time you wish you had some extra money, remember you watched this video, and I'm here to help you. I'll see you at the class.